guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you some makeup secrets that no makeup artist will tell you. I don't think anybody will tell you that, but I'm going to be sharing it with you, and I'm going to be helping you with choosing your foundation shade. Like, I'm going to be telling you how to go about choosing your foundation shade. So if you're new here, my name is Jessie Enibo, and I'm your one plug for makeup, beauty, and style. So stay tuned while I go into the video proper. So welcome back. So I'm going to be discussing three broad topics. One, how to know your foundation shade. Two, how to choose your foundation shades. And finally, the secret, how to identify a good makeup product. So starting with how to choose your foundation shade. The products you use on your face goes a long way in determining how your makeup will come out, how you will look after the makeup. If you look younger, you look older, or if basically you have patches all over your face. So going through the process of identifying a good product and choosing a good makeup product, and also knowing your foundation skin shade, is very important. So I'm going to be giving you three tips on how to choose your foundation shade. Tip number one: ask a professional makeup artist. Yes, you heard me right. If you're a novice in the makeup if you're a novice in the makeup and beauty sphere, what you need to do is to ask a makeup artist to direct you. What I mean by a makeup artist is, I mean a professional makeup artist, a trained makeup artist. A trained makeup artist will be able to put you through on the right foundation shade to use for your skin. Tip number two: ask a friend. Yeah, ask a friend. We all have this friend that has the same skin color like ours, that has the same skin shade, skin tone like ours. So you notice she after her makeup, she comes out looking all good and looking very beautiful. You can go ahead and ask her what works for her, and find out the kind of products she uses on her skin, and then the process of her application of the products. So it goes a long way in helping you choose a foundation shade. Tip number three, I call it test for yourself. Now, when you go to a beauty store to get your makeup products, maybe you went there to buy a foundation and you're confused, you don't know the right foundation shade to get for yourself, you can always check by yourself, not without the consent of the storekeeper or whoever it is that is selling the makeup product, because they usually have this kits for makeup for clients to test a product before they buy. So what you need to do is to test by yourself. So I'm holding a product here. This is zikel, and let's assume I'm in a beauty store, and I walk into a makeup store rather, and I want to buy a product, and you tell me, okay, this is the right shade for you, try out this. And I'm like, this is how to test. After they must have given you your consent, you take a bit of this and rub it here. You rub it here. This is basically where to test. You see, this is my skin shade. This is my foundation shade rather. This is my foundation shade. It goes with my skin. See, it's not light, it's not dark, it's not looking different from my face. So that is how to test for yourself. So if you don't have the option of asking a makeup artist, you don't have the option of asking a friend, you can test for yourself. You can test run for yourself in a makeup store. Tip number four, I call it review. You can go online and read up reviews. This really helps a lot. It does wonders. It helps a lot. You go online, you go to the website of the products, your target products, because definitely you should have a product that you want to try out, or a product that you must have heard people talking about. So you head on to their website, go to their product log and check out the shades of product they have, read up the review people have on the product, what people feel about the products. Just surf the internet and find out some things about the products. It is going to help you. So that is my 4 important tips on how to choose your foundation shade. So we'll move to the next topic, where to get your products from. This is a very big problem for people. Most people will be like, hi Jessie, I don't know where to get my products from, I don't know what to do, I've tried this place, I've tried this, I've done this, I've done that. And I'm like, there are so many places you can get your products from, but the most important thing is getting your products from a trusted place, a trusted vendor. That is very important. Or you could just ask around to know where to get good products from. So I'm going to be sharing with you 3 tips on where to get your products from, where to get your good products from. This is based on my research. So tip number 1 on where to get your products from: you can get from direct product distributors. What I mean by direct product distributors, oftentimes you notice that producers look for distributors, especially new products, to introduce their products into the market. So what do? They put up an advert for people to apply to be distributors of their products, and they give them incentives and other things. So you can actually get your products from trusted distributors. They do no wrong. They get directly from the producers, and their products are trusted. So you can get your makeup products from trusted distributors. In fact, let me use the right words: verified distributors. Yeah. Secondly, you can get from the mall. When I'm in a haste and I don't have time to order online, I get from the mall. I go to ShopRite. Yeah, I go to ShopRite, and then I walk into the mall and I go straight to a makeup stand. Most times, these product sellers, makeup product sellers, get a stand inside the mall. They pay for a stand inside the mall, and they are trusted. They are directly from the company. So I go there to get my products. So my 3rd tip is buying directly from the company. Now you can order online. You can buy directly from the company. You can order online as long as you've verified the shade you want, and you've done your reviews, and you're sure you're okay with the product. You can order online, and it's very swift. Very, very swift. It gets to you on time, no delivery problem. Your products are delivered to you. They are trusted. Your products are delivered to you as at when ordered. Not as at when ordered, but your products will be delivered to you 2 to 3 days, depending on the company and you're ordering from, and the delivery company they are sending it through. So these are basically the 3 tips on where to get your makeup products. So I'm moving to the next topic now. The next topic is the makeup secret no makeup artist will tell you about. I'm going to be sharing with you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel by hitting on the subscribe button over there. Yeah. And also give this video a big thumb up if you're enjoying it. So back to what I was saying. So the secret no makeup artist will tell you is the products not to use. Yes, no makeup artist is going to tell you not to use this product, because basically it looks like as if you're trying to kill a brand. It looks like as if you're trying to spoil someone's business or the other. But I am going to be telling you signs you should look out for that would make you not to use a particular kind of product. Yeah, there are some signs you should look out for in a product that will make you to avoid using that particular product. So this leads to this big subheading: avoid product that does this. So avoid product that does this. 1, avoid products that leaves patches on the face. Oh my god, a lot of us are conversant with this problem. Products that leave patches on our face after applying your foundation, setting your face, you discover you have patches all over your face, like the makeover is not looking even. You've tried everything, you've brushed, you've contoured, it's still, it's not looking even. Avoid product that does that. It doesn't suit your skin, it doesn't go with your skin. So just change that product and get another product. Tip number 2, does it itch the face? I don't know, I've had people come to my inbox and they're like, Jessie, I bought this product and I noticed I started having rashes on my face. I noticed my face started itching me. I noticed I started having this and that. And I'm like, you can't change the product itself, but you can change what you're using on your face. So avoid product that itches your face. Simple. Avoid using products like that. Avoid using the kind of product that when you use, you discover you start having reactions on your face, start having itching all over your face starts itching you. Avoid products like that. It's not good for your face. So tip number 3, does it stay long on the face? Well, basically you can't really judge by a product not staying long on someone's face, because our skins, we all have different kind of skin. Some people have oily skin, some people have dry skin, some people have mid skin, and so on. So you might have an oily skin and you go ahead and buy a very good product, and after like 30 minutes you notice oil all over your face. It's not the fault of the producers. Yes, you have an oily skin and you need to do something about it. But don't get me wrong, an oily skin is not a bad skin. An oily skin is actually one of the best skin to have. But for makeup professionals, it's a bit like complicated working with an oily skin. That's why primer came into existence. So there's a solution. So if you have a product that doesn't last on your face and you've used your primer, you followed all the makeup tips and it's not working, simple, avoid that product. It's not working for you. Look for another product, switch to another product, and trust me, you definitely get one that suits your skin type. Thirdly, does it make you look older? Oh my god, I had this experience some time ago. I tried out this foundation and everybody was like, why are you looking this dark? Why are you looking older than... I had so many reactions. People were like, you're looking... I for one knew I was looking older than my age, but I was in denial. I was like, no, maybe it's the picture quality, maybe it's this, it's that. But there are products that makes you look older than you already are. So you need to avoid products like that. You need to spot products like that and avoid using them. It's not good for you. It might not work for you, but it might work for another person. So that's why I say it all depends on your skin type. So avoid such products. The last of my tip, does it give you 2 skin shade color? It happens. I don't know if it has happened to you, but there are some products that after using them, you discover that you're totally looking different. This part of your face is looking lighter and this part of your face is looking darker. Not that you didn't do your makeup well, but there is something definitely wrong with the product. I'm not versatile in what they use in the creation of their products, but something is definitely wrong somewhere. So you just have to know what is wrong and try to correct it or avoid using that particular product. And don't forget, like I said, that it didn't work for you doesn't mean it's not going to work for another person. So your skin might be reacting differently to that product, and Mrs. B might use that product and she'll be like, wow, I'm looking all different, and you might go ahead and use that product and you'll be like, I don't like this product. So you should just know exactly what works for you and work with it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. I'll be uploading more videos every Wednesdays and Sundays, and other beauty tips like my hair. I make my hair myself, as you can see, and my makeup done by me. So stay glued to this channel as I'll be unleashing so many beauty tips, makeup tips, and styling. Thank you.